Namaste students, Khushro Bidya. I, JBM Dr. Vaidyanathan, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the disease caused by viruses. Okay. So, as we have discussed already in the previous classes, the non-cellular genetic material that are used are living cell for the replication and have an extracellular state. So the outside the host cell virus is known as viron. Okay. So until the virus is outside, we designate it. We name it as viron. Okay. So the virus is very considerably a small size, 0.02 to 3 micrometer, or its a shape or a smallpox virus are among the largest virus, or the polio virus are the among the smallest viruses. So the virus, certainly the virus contain the RNA which are other than the viruses and have a DNA. So this nucleic acid promotion of the virus is also known as the genomes, and the genome of the virus is surrounded by a protein coat called caspids, which are formed from a number of individual proteins and is called caspomeres. Okay. So these caspomeres are arranged in a precise and highly repetitive pattern around the nucleic acid, and a combination of genomes and a caspid is called nucleocapsid. Okay. So the various viral diseases like AIDS, the immunodeficiency diseases infection, or we can acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay. So it's a disease of human immune system and is caused by the infection of HIV. During the initiation of the infection, a person may experience a brief period of influenza-like illness, and these are typically followed by a prolonged period without a symptom. Okay. So as the illness progresses, it interferes with that more of the immune system, making the person more likely to get infected, including the uh, like in pneumonia, central nervous system, lymphomas, or a tumor. Okay. So the mode of transmission in the AIDS or HIV is that through a blood product, or a, sharing of needles, or unsterilized blade, or through any sexual contact, or from mother to the baby. Okay. So the natural course of HIV, so like primary shot occurs like 1 to 6 weeks, or asymptomatic like last for 10 years, and then to later to free symptoms, and later release to the swelling of the glands or HIV in the blood drops to the low of the level, or showing the third stage, it shows the symptomatic like causing the immune system deteriorate. Okay. And at the fourth stage of the HIV, the immune system weakens and the CD4 cells decrease in number. Okay. So here the treatment are highly like antiretroviral treatments are being taken care of, protease inhibitors or other non-nucleoside transcription inhibitors, or uh, the other viruses like it caused viruses like hepatitis. It is a medical condition which defines the inflammation of the liver and causing the characteristic of the presence of the inflammation cells in the tissue. Okay, so hepatitis A, or the pathogenesis, or where HAV invade the human body by fecal organ, oral, or by through root, or replication in the liver. So here it is like it stands for 10 to 12 days. The virus is present in the blood or excreta via the uh, bile systems or the feces. Okay. So the symptoms are influenza or like symptoms, or the headache, or the low grade, or the dark color of the urine, or abdominal pain. The vaccine is available for hepatitis like the hepatitis HPV is transmitted parentally or penetrating through the other uh, options like sexually transmitted or through parent, or virus enters through the hepatocytic or via the blood. Okay. So the immune response of cytotoxin T cells to the virus antigen express the hepatocyte cell surface responding to the clinical syndromes. Okay, which is same as hepatitis A in also in hepatitis B. Okay. So hepatitis C where the influenza-like symptoms and where a severe joint pains, okay, abdominal pain, okay. So here the treatment with the interferon injections, and it may take like interferons with ribavirin, okay. So dengue fever, it is also known as the breakbone or the fever which like a breaking bone fever, which is acute communicable disease caused by the dengue virus. Okay. The pathogenesis, once the virus is in the body, the immune system produced antibodies against them and adheres to the structural protein and inactive viruses which inhibit from the infecting macrophage. This stage is when the primary infections occur and also known as febrile illness or the dengue fever. Okay. Upon exposure to the different stereotype of the dengue, the immune system attack to the same way. Okay. So, however, because the surface protein of each stereotype differs slightly in the antibody adhering, does not inactivate the virus. Okay. So, in addition, the dengue virus have M protein and helping apoptosis and the target cells. Okay. So, next is the chickenpox. A chickenpox is the infectious virus causing a mild fever and a rashes or a tiny inflammatory pimples or a turn of the blisters or the loose scraps. It caused by the varicella zoster virus and is mainly infected in children. Okay, so next is the rabies virus, which is caused by the causative agent of rabies or the rabies virus, a negative strand of RNA virus to the polio. Is a gray matter or a polio myelitis, the inflammation of the spinal cord. Okay, so this disease result from the motor neuron caused by the polio virus, and it attacks the nerve cells of the brain and the spinal cord. Okay. Measles or the rubella virus, it is caused by the acute viral infections, which is the final stage of the mucopapular rashes or the erupting the successfully at the neck and the faces, trunk, arm, legs, etc., accompanied by the caused by the infection of the rubella virus. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.